I'll be teaching a new life science class, so let me show you how I can set up a new class notebook for it right in Microsoft Teams. From the Office 365 homepage, click or tap Teams. Life Sciences is a new class, so let's start by creating a new class team. Each class team I create comes with a built-in OneNote Class Notebook. To set up a class team, click or tap Class. Give the team a name and click or tap Next. Next, I'll add the names of the students in this class. When I add them to the team, each student will automatically be assigned their own private space within the team's class notebook, which only the student and I can access. If you want, you can give other teachers and staff the same access as you. Let's add a co-teacher. Now our class team is ready to go. Let's set up the class notebook. In this case, here you can see what's included in each class notebook. The collaboration space is where my students work together on projects with my direction. The content library is where I post reference materials, articles, or any content I want my students to be able to see but not edit. Student notebook sections are private workspaces for each student. This is where I often provide individualized feedback to students. OneNote suggests a few default sections for the student notebooks, but you can remove these or add more if you want. Because this is a science class, let's add a section for labs. Click or tap Add Section. When you're finished, click or tap Create. Behind the scenes, OneNote provisions and configures permissions for you and your students. When the class notebook is ready, you can start using it with your class right away. You can work in it here or open the notebook in the OneNote app. Let's open it in the app. A default Welcome section contains helpful resources about how to manage OneNote if you need help later. Let's take a quick look at how you can use the different section groups. I like to use the collaboration space for shared work such as class projects. The content library is great for sharing course materials. And student notebooks provide a private workspace for each person in the class. As soon as you create a notebook, you can start adding content. For instance, to add a new section, simply click or tap the New Section button. Later, once I've added some content, my students can complete their work right in the notebook. Let's look at a student's homework assignment. Here, I can give the student feedback by typing or writing a message or by using stickers. Let's add one now. I can even customize the stickers. Just like that, the student gets personalized feedback only he can see. Here's the class notebook from the student's point of view. You can see that the other students' workspaces are hidden, ensuring privacy is maintained. If I get a new student, I just go back to Teams and add them to the class. When I do, their student workspace is automatically set up in the class notebook. Let's see how it works. Click or tap the More Options button next to the team name. That's the button with 3 dots. Select Add Member, enter the student's name, and click or tap Add. Now the student has been added to the class team and the class notebook. I can add or remove teachers in this. Let's return to the notebook. You can see that the new student workspace is already set up. As you've just seen, OneNote Class Notebook helps me provide individualized instruction and give meaningful feedback to my students. It's easy